In the realm of high-performance vehicles, one name stands out as a symbol of elegance, power, and sophistication. Enter the Aston Martin Valour, a marvel of engineering that redefines the boundaries of automotive excellence. The Valour is not just a car, it's a statement. It's a promise of speed, wrapped in a package of unparalleled luxury. From the moment you glimpse its sleek silhouette, you know you're in for an experience unlike any other. Under the hood, the Valour boasts a thunderous V12 engine. With a remarkable 700 horsepower, this beast roars to life, propelling the Valour from 0 to 60 in a breathtaking 3.4 seconds. But don't let the raw power fool you. The Valour's engine isn't just strong, it's smart. The engine's intelligent design ensures optimum performance, while its advanced fuel efficiency system reduces environmental impact. The Valour's exterior is a masterclass in design. Its aerodynamic profile and carbon fiber body blend form with function, creating an aesthetic that is as pleasing to the eye as it is to the touch. The LED headlights, with their distinctive design, not only illuminate the road ahead, but also serve as a striking visual signature. Step inside the Valour, and you'll find an interior that matches the exterior's promise of luxury. Hand-stitched leather seats, a state-of-the-art infotainment system, an ambient lighting package, and a host of other premium features create an environment that is both comfortable and captivating. The Valour also prioritizes safety. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including an adaptive cruise control system, a 360-degree camera, and a collision mitigation system. These features, coupled with the car's robust construction, ensure a safe and secure driving experience. To sum it up, the Aston Martin Valour is a car that combines power with luxury, performance with elegance. It's a car that boasts a 700 horsepower V12 engine, a sleek carbon fiber body, and a luxurious interior outfitted with premium features. It's a car that prioritizes safety without compromising on performance. It's a car that promises an unparalleled driving experience. It's a car that, once driven, is never forgotten. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Aston Martin Valour, a car that truly stands in a league of its own.